If you intend to get seeds out of your tomatoes now for next year, well, you don't want to plant different types of tomatoes next to each other. So I have my Romas down here. Over there in the greenhouse I have my beefsteaks. And then all the way over here I have my Arkansas Travelers, which are doing okay. But if you plan on planting the same thing again, don't put your tomatoes together because they will cross-pollinate with the wind and you will get hybrid seeds. Now maybe the seeds will work next year, maybe they won't. You're just taking a chance. So separate your tomatoes, different types of tomatoes, to different parts of your garden or the other side of your house. That way you don't get cross-pollination and hybrid seeds. It looks like the mixed greens over there, spicy mixed greens. I'm going to go ahead and start chopping them down. Got a volunteer sunflower right there, and I'm just letting my chard grow to full growth this year because I plan on canning it or freezing it. I'll probably can it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed the tip. Same thing with peppers. They're self-pollinating. Do not plant them next to each other or you'll get hybrid seeds. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed the video.